Charles Francois Daubigny was born February 15, 1817, died February 19, 1878. He was a French painter, one of the members of the Barbizon school, and is considered an important precursor of impressionism. He was also a prolific printmaker, mostly in etching but also as one of the main artists to use the cliché verre technique. The most striking paintings by Daubigny were those produced between 1864 and 1874, which depict mostly forest landscapes and lakes. Disappointed because he felt that he did not meet with the same level of success and admiration as his contemporaries. By the end of his career he was nonetheless an extremely sought-after and appreciated artist.